And this life will be titled, We Cannot Eat in Peace. You guys need help with the picture? All right. So c'est où fait crab yo? Moi mais et dungeness. That's my favorite.
Hey, put a stand up.
Okay. You good?
No, take two. Take two.
Oh, take it straight. Okay, no problem. Pour nous ka montrer belle hauteur nous? Tell me if you like it. Look. You know.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
You want another one?
Take it with yours too, okay? So we can send it to you. Yeah.
All right.
I'll give you my number. Let me take it from you.
I'm kind of a little sweat.
Ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Right.
Yeah, I can send it to you guys.
Nice.
954. Go ahead.
What's your number?
954.
Well, I gotta save it first. Okay, guys, thank you very much.
Okay, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
What's your number?
954. 397.
I'm gonna start eating now.
3167.
3167.
Yes. Thank you. Finally, we're going to eat.
I'm gonna send it to you. I gotta go back to my.
Okay, thank you for the beautiful crabs.
No problem.
I love it.
Should we just like?
No, she's gonna. You have to do it with
Where's
this,
the demonstration?
Yeah. But have some oysters.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
The spinach oysters.
I'm waiting for the raw ones.
Yeah.
No, because I don't want to take.
Yummy.